What is up, everybody? I wanted to put a quick review out of this hammock stand, and also we'll be taking a look at a couple of hammocks, but mostly this video is about a hammock stand. I know there's lots of options. This one we bought on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description below, and we're pretty happy with it overall. Here it is, right out of the box. Everything seems to be pretty securely wrapped and really easy to assemble. It's got this powder coated finish, so mostly rough proof. You're looking at three pieces here, two cross sections, and then the long bar. Really easy to assemble. It's got these little plastic knobs that you can just basically put them in and tighten them up. Um, Here are the end pieces. They fit on as shown. Again, incredibly simple to do. Now this is an indoor and an outdoor hammock stand, and so it goes on like that. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward. It's got these heavy duty hooks with washers and a wing nut, and this particular hammock stand comes with 6 holes, and they are spaced about 4 inches apart. And to assemble it, you just put this hook in, slide the washer on that conforms to the contour of the powder coated pole, which is really nice. Fits perfectly, I think. And twist that wing nut on there, and it tightens up nice and firm. Hook pointed down, of course, and this is what it looks like assembled. Little side note here, this hammock stand is portable, collapsible. It comes with a travel case, which is not shown in this video, but a nice little feature. Alright, and here's the view of the hammock stand with a hammock attached. I really love this style of hammock. And this hammock stand is fully adjustable, as I alluded to. It's got 6 holes, so you can move these hooks here and put them higher or lower depending on the size and the length of your hammock. So this particular style of hammock works really well. And next we'll take the hammock off, and you can see this is what the hammock stand looks like naked, so to speak. And we'll get a camping style or a parachute hammock attached for you, so you have an idea of what that looks like. Now this particular parachute hammock is totally transportable, portable, comes with a built-in little baggie you can see there. Very lightweight. I think it's perfect for places like the beach if you need to travel anywhere with it. We just use it for our backyard, and actually I prefer this style hammock to the one that we saw previously. You just saw some ropes there, so if your hooks there are not long enough, you can actually attach those extra ropes that comes with it to make it a little bit longer to fit your particular setup. And that's what I had to do here. You can see the hammock was a shy bit short, but I just used those ropes and extended them with some good knots, and yeah, it fit perfectly, as you can see here. So this is my preferred hammock for this particular hammock stand, and we love it. It's great for the kids and for us, and super relaxing. And yeah, hopefully this video has been helpful for you. Thank you so much.